Tools needed for this install is a 1/4 inch screwdriver, short 5.5 millimeter socket, and a long flat blade screwdriver. Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we're making a headlight installation video on a 2005 to 07 Ford Superduty. So let's get started. First, using a 5.5 millimeter socket, remove 4 bolts across the top of the grille. Next, using a long flat blade screwdriver, we're going to press down on 5 clips on the bottom of the grille. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you're just going to carefully pull this forward, and then you're going to start with the outside one and just press down on the clip and then pull the grille forward to release it. So here's the 5 clips. Just want to press down on the clip and pull forward. Next, using your 5.5 millimeter socket, we're going to remove 4 bolts securing the headlight. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. After removing the 4 bolts, carefully pull your headlight back. So we have 3 connectors here. It's your high beam and low beam. Press down on the tab and disconnect. It's your parking and turn signal. Turn it counterclockwise. Disconnect the whole bolt socket. It's your side marker. Turn the socket counterclockwise. Disconnect. Go ahead and grab your side marker. Unplug the bulb. Go ahead and bring over your new headlight. Go ahead and plug in your high beam and low beam. Make sure it's secure. And then these 2 sockets here, side marker and turn signal. Check the rubber gasket seal, make sure they're intact to prevent any moisture. Go ahead and grab your side marker connector. Go ahead and plug it into the bulb socket. Make sure your negative wire lines up with your negative wire. Go ahead and plug it into your headlight assembly. Turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Go ahead and grab your turn signal socket. Go ahead and plug that into your headlight assembly. Turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Next, you're going to carefully seat your headlight back in place. After seating your headlight in place, go ahead and reinstall your 4 5.5 bolts. Now that we're finished installing the passenger side headlight, let's repeat the same process to the opposite side. After installing your headlights, go ahead and reinstall your grille. Go ahead and line up the 5 clips on the bottom. Snap them in. Next, reinstall your 4 5.5 millimeter bolts across the top of the grille. Now that we're finished installing our headlights, let's close the hood and test all our headlight functions.